What's up to all those alone in the zone? Back once again, John Eli Lopez. About to go landmarking. Do a couple of dips and dives through New York City. And bring you all along for the ride. We're about to do a little something I like to call landmarking. About to get on this CB300R and see what it's looking like. Secure the celly. Secure the glovey. And we ready to make moves. Lovely day out here today in NYC. It's about 65 degrees. Not too bad. We're on the Prospect Expressway, 278. We're about to see what it do. On here. This is where we going. All up in here. Don't really like over here because that's where all the debris is. You know, but we're gonna just keep an eye out. Don't worry about me, Duke. Don't worry about me, Dookie. I'm up in here. Thank you, man. That's a good guy right there. Thank you there, buddy. Where do I want to go? I think I do want to go up in here. Yeah. What are you trying to get up in here? I'm on a bike. I'm on a bike. So, people... they tend to be a little more lenient with bikes. Let me through, my friend. Thank you there, buddy. That's a good guy right there. Thank you there, buddy. Nice, nice. That Brooklyn Bridge. It's got a blind spot. Make sure you get out of those blind spots. Guys would not see you and just cross into your lane. Not a good look. There you go, that BB. We're getting into the entrance to the FDR, so there will be people trying to squeeze through. So let me fall back a little bit. Just be prepared for idiots. Idiots trying to dip and squeeze through. Trying to dip and dive. Don't get mad for the tailgaters, man. Just be out on them, son. Just be out on them. That's it. I mean, be out on them. That's it. Come on, the speed limit is 40 on the FDR. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm like, yo, this is extra trafficy. And it's right at the end. Alright? Bunch of nonsense. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Bunch of nonsense. Like, yo, something ain't right. Why is it so much traffic? Man, that traffic was brutal. Brutal. Right, 125th. Took forever, 7 days, but we made it. Looked up for a minute at iHeartRadio, and that was almost. The key is not to panic. I mean, lightly brake, light compressions. Light compressions. Thank you there, buddy. That's a good guy right there. All right, 125. 125. Let's see what 125 looking like after the pandemic. I have not been up here in over a year. things have not changed. That's the thing about this filming. Kind of could throw you off. I looked up at that iHeart Radio, try to catch that on camera. Look down, it is the tightest turn. Hope you guys appreciate the risk you take to catch these this footage. Coming up on the world famous Apollo Theater. You know, if you come 125th and you don't, at least acknowledge the Apollo Theater, you're doing a bunch of nonsense up here. So I wanted to make sure we end my landmarking by the world famous landmark, Apollo Theater. Like that saying, stay well. We'll end it at that. Stay well, my peoples. Until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.